Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to Thunder RC. And I'm laughing because this is the craziest thing I think I've ever done. Look at this, y'all. Now, you're probably wondering why I only have the Raminator tires in the rear and not on all fours. And I'll tell you why. The steering's a little tight in here, and it just didn't really steer well in the front. So I thought, let's go with this dragster-looking thing, and let's send it. I know y'all are going to laugh. You're going to say I'm crazy. But we did send this truck, and it went big. And I almost landed a front flip with this thing before destroying the rear bulkhead. But you're going to see that in the video. I just want to show you what I've got going on here. So this is a stock Rovin XLT that you can buy off of Fearless RC on their website or eBay or rovinrc.com. This thing has been fantastic, y'all. The 45cc Rovin engine is plenty of power for it, weighing in at almost 40 pounds. This thing is massive, y'all. It's got dual servos in the front, and, you know, it's pretty awesome. These huge metal arms, 10 millimeter shock rods. Everything on this truck is just massive. 9 millimeter drive shafts. It's crazy. So these are the stock tires that the truck normally comes with. And here's the Raminator tires on the rear. It just looks ridiculous. I didn't think that the clutch could handle it. I thought I was going to burn the clutch up out there. But it actually did way better than I thought it would. And like I said, this is a stock engine, stock clutch, stock everything. And running 25-to-1 mixture, this thing actually outperformed what I had expected it to do with this setup. It's pretty crazy, y'all. That is a lot of weight. Also, I'm very happy to announce that I've got a brand new RC coming. This is a build that I'm going to be working on, and I guarantee you, you cannot guess what this thing is. So I'm super stoked on it. It's something that you really don't see out there, and it's going to get sent to the heavens, and it's going to have tons of power. It's going to be insane. Let's get to the video. Y'all, that was the craziest thing ever. Almost a front flip with this beast Rovin XLT with the Raminator tires on the rear. I'm laughing, y'all. I can't help but laugh. This is hilarious. So it looks like I stripped the screw out of the bulkhead. That's expected with all this weight in the rear, and the C-block bent pretty good there. But everything else looks fine. Rovin tough, baby. I fixed the rear bulkhead, wasn't that big of a deal. I put the normal tires back on and just gonna enjoy ripping it. Gonna get some sins off the death ramp. under RC. That's why I'm broke. But I have to say, the Rowan XLT is a real beast. I want to say this is my favorite gas RC car. This thing is awesome. I've driven it as electric, I've driven it as gas. I put Raminator tires on it. It's sick.